Welcome to T-Mobile Home Internet. Here are some quick tips on how to get the most out of your new home internet equipment. First, let's download the T-Mobile Internet app. On your phone, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for T-Mobile Internet app, select and download. The app will guide you through the initial setup process. Make sure you have all the included equipment, and we can get started by scanning the QR code located on the bottom of the gateway. This will ensure the app will guide you through the correct setup process. Now, let's see how to get the best signal from your T-Mobile gateway. You may be used to having your router in the middle of your home. And while this could still be an adequate spot for your new gateway, you might have better luck near a window or exterior wall. Since the T-Mobile gateway uses cellular signal and not a wired connection, the fewer obstructions between your gateway and the cellular signal, the better. The app will inform you if you've chosen a good spot or not. If you find that your signal drops later, no problem. You can always move the gateway to find a sweet spot that optimizes your signal to its full potential. If you need even more coverage, the gateway is also compatible with many popular mesh Wi-Fi networks. Now that you're all set up, we can explore some key features of the app. Device management. Here you can quickly identify each device and its signal strength connected to your network in real time. Manage schedule. Here you can easily specify when and for how long different devices can be connected. This is a great tool for managing screen time. Need help? Our dedicated experts are at your fingertips. Simply navigate to the support section of the app and get incredible care instantly. And that's it. You have everything you need to get the most out of your new T-Mobile home internet service. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you new features and exciting new ways to enjoy your home internet network.